see it?
Okay, it's recording now.
Okay, no, Mommy, don't see it. It's really funny. It's really funny. It's really funny.
Okay.
It's funny. With the time, there was a little horsey named Nicky. Nicky was the biggest horse ever. They wanted to go to the football. And then they wanted to go to the horsey football. Oh. He's a bigger size.
I don't want you to fall. Okay, Melanie, continue.
Okay, with the time, there was a little horsey named Nickox. Nickox was the biggest horsey. I can see your butt.
Huh?
I can see your butt.
Oh.
I can see your butt.
Oh my God.
Hey, don't say bad words.
No. I'm not telling you that face.
You can't see my butt.
I see your butt. Do you see my butt?
I don't know, Candy. You would show your butt.
One time there was a picnic and there somebody left something. What did he left?
Huh?
What did he left?
They left, what did they leave?
They left something.
They left their blanket.
No.
They left the pickles.
No.
No, don't move that. Don't move that. What they leave?
They left the pickles.
Tell that to the thingy.
They left the pickles. And then they left something else. You know what they left?
Ew.
I see your butt.